I'm going to teach you how to effectively back up and restore your bookmarks in Firefox. Whether you're switching computers, reinstalling your operating system, or just wanting to ensure your bookmarks are safe, knowing how to back up and restore them can save you time and frustration. So let's get started. First, let's focus on backing up your bookmarks. Open up Firefox and take a look at the top right section of your screen. There, you'll notice the menu button. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to navigate to the Bookmarks option, and then click on Manage Bookmarks. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly get there by pressing Ctrl+Shift. Once you've accessed the library window, it's time to export your bookmarks. Look towards the top of this window for the Import and Backup button. When you click it, a couple of options will appear. You can choose to back up your bookmarks as a JSON file. This option is particularly handy because it saves detailed bookmark data, allowing for a comprehensive backup. Alternatively, if you prefer a format that works across different browsers, you can select Export Bookmarks to HTML. This gives you a .html file that's versatile and easy to handle if you decide to switch browsers down the line. Once you've made your choice, simply pick a folder on your PC where you want to save the file and hit Save. Now that you've successfully backed up your bookmarks, let's dive into how you restore them. Whether you're setting up a new computer or simply need to retrieve your bookmarks, restoring them is just as straightforward. Start by going back to the Bookmarks section and selecting Manage Bookmarks again, or use the handy shortcut, Ctrl+Shift-O if you prefer. In the library window, click on Import and Backup once more. Here's where you'll choose your restore method based on the backup file format. If you previously saved your bookmarks as a JSON file, click on Restore, then on Choose File. Navigate to the location where you saved the JSON file and select it. It's important to note that by doing this, your current bookmarks will be replaced by those from the backup. On the other hand, if you exported your bookmarks to an HTML file, you'll want to select Import Bookmarks from HTML. Find your saved .html file and open it. This method is advantageous because it allows you to add these bookmarks without deleting any of your existing ones. Now, you know how to both safeguard your bookmarks and bring them back when needed. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.